Hey there, today we're diving into the smartest ways to do affiliate marketing without burning yourself out. Let's explore 6 lazy but effective methods that can help you build a profitable affiliate business. First, let's understand why affiliate marketing itself is considered a smart business model. You don't need to create products, handle customer service, or deal with fulfillment. Everything is handled by the product owner, while you focus on promotion and earn commissions. The first method is creating faceless YouTube channels. You can make top 5 or top 10 videos using stock footage and voiceovers. The beauty of this approach, create the content once and it continues generating affiliate sales for years. Plus, you earn ad revenue as a bonus. The second strategy is promoting high payout digital products. Instead of earning small commissions from physical products, focus on digital products like courses that offer $250 to $500 per sale. Platforms like Digistore24 and ClickBank are great places to find these opportunities. Just remember to verify product quality before promoting. Want something even more passive? Method 3 is promoting recurring subscription software. When you refer customers to software products, you can earn monthly commissions for as long as they remain subscribed. This means one sale could pay you for years to come. The fourth approach is leveraging Instagram shoutouts. You can pay popular theme pages to promote your affiliate offers, directing traffic to your bio link. It's a quick way to reach large audiences without building your own following first. Lastly, build an email list using opt-in pages. Offer a free guide in exchange for email addresses, then promote affiliate products to your list over time. This creates a sustainable marketing channel that you can monetize repeatedly. Remember, the key to lazy affiliate marketing isn't about cutting corners. It's about working smart and creating systems that generate income long after you've done the initial work. Choose the method that fits your style and focus on providing real value to your audience. Want to scale your affiliate income? Consider creating your own digital product and letting others promote it as affiliates. This turns you from just an affiliate into a product owner with your own affiliate army. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart marketing strategies.